Samsung's new software update, One UI 7.0, based on Android 15, is rolling out very slowly. If you have a mid-range Samsung phone and have been waiting to try the new update, the news may be a little disappointing. Let's go back to the beginning. Samsung started the One UI 7 beta program in December 2024. Now it's April 2025, and the stable update is still not available for many users. That means it's been 4 months of testing. That's just for Samsung's flagship phones. The update process has been slow and limited. When Samsung first announced the beta, it was only available for the Galaxy A54 series. People hoped the beta would expand to more phones, but that didn't happen for a long time. In March 2025, Samsung finally said that more phones would be added to the beta. That sounded like good news, but the list was still very short. And when it comes to mid-range phones, the list gets even shorter. As of April 3, only one mid-range Samsung phone is confirmed to get the One UI 7 beta, the Galaxy A55. That's right, just one. No beta for the Galaxy A34, no N-series phones, and nothing for budget models either. Now Samsung might be testing One UI 7 behind the scenes on other phones. But since it's taking so long with the flagship models, it looks like most mid-range phones will skip the beta and get the stable update later. If you were hoping to try Android 15 early on your mid-range Samsung phone, this is frustrating. In the past, Samsung let many A-series phones join the beta program. But with One UI 7, they're being more careful, possibly to make sure everything runs smoothly. Still, the fact that the Galaxy A55 is getting the beta shows Samsung hasn't totally forgotten about mid-range users. There's a chance more phones might be added later, but nothing has been confirmed yet. So what can you do if your phone didn't get the beta? If you want to use One UI 7 right now, you could wait for the stable version or buy a new phone. The Galaxy A56 is expected to come with One UI 7 already installed, so you won't have to wait for an update. For now, Samsung says the stable One UI 7 update for flagship phones will start rolling out on April 7. This includes the Galaxy S24, S23, and newer Galaxy Tabs. If you have one of those, the wait is almost over, but for mid-range and budget phones, it looks like we'll have to wait until May or later. To sum it up, if you have a Galaxy A55, you're lucky. It's the only mid-range phone currently in the beta. Everyone else will need to wait for the official update or think about getting a newer phone that comes with One UI 7. We'll keep you updated as more news comes in. If Samsung adds more phones to the beta, we'll let you know. Make sure to subscribe, follow, or turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future updates. Thanks for watching.